This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Stephanie Harn. Embrace Florida living in this stunning plantation oasis. Florida's renowned outdoor lifestyle is perfectly embodied in this gorgeous Summerwood floor plan, situated on an oversized corner lot surrounded by lush tropical landscaping in Somerset at the Plantation. This pool home offers 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, and 3-car garage. The ultimate in comfort and luxury. The open concept living area features beautiful 12 by 24 neutral tile flooring throughout and 0 corner sliding doors that seamlessly blend indoor and outdoor spaces. Step out onto the expansive, extended lanai, complete with an outdoor kitchen featuring a gas grill and sink, and electric hurricane screens, perfect for entertaining or relaxing. The spacious kitchen is a chef's dream, boasting a large island, subway tile backsplash, upgraded stainless steel appliances, 42 whitewood cabinets with pull-out shelves, and a walk-in pantry. The spacious primary suite offers a large walk-in closet, separate sinks, and an oversized shower. This meticulously maintained home is hurricane protected with impact windows and doors, and electric roll-down hurricane screens on the lanai. Additional features include striking stone front elevation, 4 feet extension in garage, tray ceilings, custom lighting, a glass insert in the front door, wired security system, custom landscape lighting in the lanai and around the home, and full wall of custom built-in garage storage, central house vacuum, and Sonos speakers in lanai. HOA fees cover cable, internet, lawn mowing and fertilizing, landscape trimming, exterior pest control, and access to a wide range of amenities. Pickleball. Enjoy pickleball all day long with men's, women's, and mixed league play. Fitness center, pool, and sauna. Stay active and refreshed. Optional golf. Golf memberships are available but not required. Somerset at the Plantation Golf and Country Club is a gated community featuring a clubhouse, restaurant, resort-style pool/spa, social clubs, a Herds and Fry Championship 18-hole golf course, tennis and pickleball courts, bocce ball, and a fitness center. Conveniently located near I-75, shopping, restaurants, the airport, and beaches, this is Florida living at its finest. For more information, review the details below or contact Stephanie Harn at 239-482-5700.